Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take screenshots on OnePlus Nord for 5G. There are several methods that allow you to take the screenshot. The main one is by pressing the power button and volume down button at the same time. If you press both of these buttons, you will quickly take a screenshot. Simple as that. There's also another method that allows you to take a screenshot, and that is by using a gesture. For instance, you can swipe 3 fingers like so on the screen in order to capture the screenshot. And in addition to that, we can also, by doing a similar gesture, we can also take a partial screenshot. However, instead of swiping down like this, we need to press and hold on the screen. And then we can either just swipe down in order to select the area like so, or we can press and hold and then release your fingers, so that then we can drag to select the rectangular area like so. And of course, after that, we can still adjust the screenshot without any problems. Last but not least, there is also one more method that allows you to take the screenshot, and that is by using the quick access. So over here we have those buttons that we can of course press in order to do something, and we should also be able to find the screenshot button. At least over here I have mine, and if you press it, then you will capture the screenshot. However, if for some reason, whoops, I just changed the brightness by accident. However, if for some reason you don't have this button over here, then you can press these 3 dots in the top right corner, then go to edit tiles, and then over here where you have more tiles, you should be able to find that option, and then you can press on the button in order to add it to the tiles, and then you can simply go back and you should have it in the quick access. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!